lovely mixed vegetables there, nice and crunchy, I like that. Chicken breast, a little bit of cumin, fantastic, on a lovely bed of mixed lettuce. Oh, a nice bit of dressing. All right, so you saw that one chicken breast there. Just cut it straight down the middle, opened it out. Salt, black pepper, a little bit of cumin powder I like on this. Just turn it over. Let's do it again. So a little bit more salt, a little bit more black pepper, a little bit of cumin. Bit of olive oil. Not too much. Turn it over a couple of times. Let's get to the cooker, so easy. Okay, got a pan there, medium heat. Just got that on now, drop that in. About 4 minutes aside, maybe. I'm gonna be flipping it quite a bit. Okay, that's easy enough, isn't it? So that comes out. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil here because we're going to go back in this pan with some veg. So I'm going to start off with some cauliflower. I mean, you can use anything you want. I'm going to be adding some broccoli to this, onions, bell peppers and mushrooms, but let's start by getting that on the go. So I'm going to just throw that around on the medium heat again for 2 minutes. Okay, next up I'm going to go with a nice handful of fresh broccoli, and again another couple of minutes. So easy. I'm going to go in with some onion. I like my onion in quite late because I quite like it quite chunky, you know, and quite, you know, raw in a way. Some bell peppers, just slice these up, a few colours. It's like 3 mushrooms there, just quartered. Black pepper, a bit more salt. I'm going to go in with a touch more oil now. About 3 or 4 minutes, these are going to be done. Okay, so I'm happy about there, nice and crunchy. Cook it longer if you want, but yeah, I like a nice bit of crunch on them. Off goes the heat. Look, super easy. All we've got here is balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So a nice quality olive oil, nice kind of extra virgin. Spend a few quid on that if you can. And that's just gonna pour over. Let's have a look. Right, have a look at that. So I've got a lovely bed of mixed lettuce there. Our vegetables on the side, a couple of cheeky little cherry tomatoes. I've sliced the chicken, and all we do now is pour that on there. Now if you want, you could add some garlic to this if you wanted. But yeah, I'm super happy with that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. In fact, you could use lemon juice instead of the vinegar, but I love that. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment.
It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.